guys in YouTube land. Steve here from Greenway Outdoor Maintenance. And today is Sunday afternoon. We had rain and snow all day Saturday. So I didn't get anything done Saturday. And so I went to the gym this morning. And I came home, watched a little bit of Big Jake on TV. You know, John Wayne, yeah. And then I went and aerated 5 lawns from about 4 hours. I was supposed to talk to another customer, but he didn't want to do it tonight, so I'll do it later. Anyway, this is my dirty, very dusty, dirty Walker mower. And it has 10 hours on it. I don't know if you can see the numbers on there. See, it says 10 hours. This is its first oil change. I'm just changing the oil, not the filter, according to what the manufacturer Walker mower says. So, anyway, the oil drain on this one, not too terribly bad. It's underneath here. It's right down. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's right there. So I'm going to put the camera over here. I'm going to get to stand up, not falling over. And they ain't going to cooperate, so I go over on this side. There we go. I got my trusty oil can here. Hopefully. And this ain't gonna fit under there. Hooey, hooey, cuckum pooey. Okay. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't want to drain out on my concrete. So we will try a little trick here. I do for my lot of mowers. I got my little printer blanket here. So we'll put that there. I don't think this is going to work though, guys. I might have to jack it up. Be right back with the jack. This may be a long video, guys. I'm back, guys. Get that part out. And I can't get Jack under there either. Hooey hooey. Cock'em pooey. Oh well. Figure out something here. And like I said, you can see I've already drained all my concrete here from this Walker, from the Exmark, or from the Toro. Oh, let's see what I can do. Maybe I can jack up on this side. Let me see. Let me see over here, guys. Okay. This is preventing a problem, guys. I don't know what to do here. I really don't want to drain it out on the concrete. But put you over here for the moment. Get this down. Yep, put the seat down first. Okay, where's my 2x4? Here it is. Not there. Let's see if I can back up on the 2x4. That'll give me enough minutes. I said, okay. Definitely have to get a different drain plug, people. Definitely have to get a different drain plug. Now, this isn't the ideal way to do this, people. There's a lot better ways. But at the moment, I'm not going to get all the oil out of there. So what I'm going to do is, I will jack it up once all the oil's drained out. Once the oil's drained out, I will jack it up, take the 2x4 out from underneath the wheel, then lay it back down, and let the rest run on the ground. There shouldn't be that much left in there like that, but this is not an ideal way of doing this, people. Anyway, I'm going to get my oil. And I got my Napa oil right here. NW30. That's what it calls for. Takes 1 3/4 quarts of oil. So I'm thinking it only take, I didn't read the directions all the way, but I think it said 1.84 quarts. So without there not being a new filter on there, I don't think I'll need 2 full quarts. I've got to take the dipstick out. It just helps it drain a little bit, they say. How we drain? It's slowly draining. Now I gotta get some lots and lots of paper towel, and which I have right here. I don't like doing this way, but it's the only way I can do it until I figure out a way. I just gotta get a flatter oil pan. That's what I gotta get, and not so thick a one. So I'm thinking maybe a butter bowl or something like that I can just drain it into. So, but we'll see. I'm already up to what, 10 minutes on this. So this may be a fairly long video. So I'm gonna jack her up now. And now I definitely gotta get a different oil plug. This oil plug is for the birds. I'll see if I can get an aftermarket one or something like that. Oh, there with my camera. Sorry guys, going for a tumble. My motor is sliding sideways. Okay, time for the rags. Like I said, I normally don't do this way. So, this is not what you call kosher by any means. There's the camera again. And my jack slipped off my jack, guys. And you went down again. So, most of it's draining out via the way I just did it. And so I definitely have to get a different drain plug for this puppy, because this ain't gonna work. Switch ratchet around the other way, guys. There we go. That's that. And now I get to put fresh oil in here. And there's that. I'm going to put you right here. Sorry about the longness of this video, people. But it is what it is. And that's where I put the oil at, right there. You can see my fat finger there. So, get my quarts of oil over here. They call this Premium Performance Napa Oil, NW30, all season motor oil, high quality protection, blah 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 blah. I got a good deal on it, that's why I bought it. It was half off, so I bought a case. At my Napa dealership over there, they had a big parking lot sale. So I gotta pour this puppy in there like that. Okay, I'm filming this on the YouTube camera. I mean, it's my camera, but it's through the YouTube site. I cannot pause, I cannot speed up, I cannot add captions, all that good stuff that normally you see me do. So I don't do a lot of that anymore, because the other problem I had is my computer bit the big one again after I gave him $300 to fix it. They didn't fix it worth beans. So, but as you can see, my brand new motor is very, 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 very dirty, dusty. I used it all week. I cleaned it up last week. And I've been mowing low to get all the garbage up from the winter and all the leaves and stuff like that. I actually got half a catcher full of grass in here I haven't emptied yet. But, so this is already going to run me 15 minutes. And some of you may not want to watch the whole thing. You can just fast forward through it. Which is fine with me. I mean, I'm just now touching the dipstick, so I got to add some more oil. I'm just on the tip of the dipstick. So I think it takes like 1.84 quarts, what they told me. I don't know how you find 1.84 quarts on the bottle here. It just has ounces and whatnot. So trying to get the camera set down, and it doesn't wants to fall over. There we go. See, I mean, it doesn't say. And it says on here how much is in here. 9.46 milliliters, 1 U.S. quart. So, this is the first oil changes I have done on this mower. It's the first one from the factory. So we'll add some more oil here. This is a Kohler 19 horsepower engine that comes from the factory that way. I went with the regular carburetor. I did not get the electronic fuel injected. It's electric start, but not electronic, not fuel injected, it's carburetor. And I went back and forth, him hine. He wanted, I think, another $1,000 for the fuel injected, which is, to me, kind of, you know, all my motors have been carburetors. I never had any trouble with them. So, you guys choose when you go buy a mower. But it's just what it is, and you're not going to change. I mean, more things get more and more there. It needs a tad bit more, I think. Let me put you down so I can wipe it off and check it. And not being helpful, you like to fall over. Okay. On these new motors, you're not supposed to twist it down the cat, but stick it down the hole. Needs a little more oil. I mean, when I dumped out of there, it wasn't even dirty. It was still pretty clean. But they want you to do a 5-hour oil change to, you know, crap from the new motor, if there's stuff in there or whatnot. So, wrong side. I'm going to let it run down a little bit more because I can't tell if it's in there or not. But I'm going to get my blower out before I put this away tonight and change the oil, blow it off, make it look nice and neat. I've ran 18 minutes on an oil change that took me on my other motors 15 minutes. So I've been gibby-gabby and had to jack it up, which I didn't have to do on the other motors. And I'm going to see if I can get one of those plugs on there. And the Skag doesn't have, the Toro doesn't have it. But there's ones where you just unscrew it part of the way and it drains out and you just close it back up. I've seen them, I just don't know where I can get them online or if I have to go back to my dealer and get one. Because that little cappy is a screwy thing. I mean, there are even ones where you can put it on there and you put a hose over the end of it. Run the hose out to where you want to go and drain it that way. So if I did that, I could put it in my trailer, I could put the oil pan underneath, you know, I could leave it more on the trailer and run the hose down through there and put the oil pan down there and it'll drain the same way, which I might do next time. Anyway, that's it for the oil change, guys. This is Steve from Greenway Outdoor Maintenance. I've not posted anything well because, like I said, my computer bit the big one. And I have been swamped all week mowing and aerating, and then all day Saturday it rained. I got all my lawns done on Friday. I did some Fridays on Thursday because they said we're supposed to have rain, snow mix Friday and Saturday. Turned out to be overnight Friday night, all day Saturday. But you know, weather people, they can't predict, save their ass. Anyway, you all take it easy. Hit that like, subscribe button, and you all take it easy. And send me some comments, reviews, whatever you want to do. Hit that like button. Talk to y'all later. Bye.